Someone cold pitched me the other day on LinkedIn about launching a podcast. She had nailed the outreach message and she had an incredible value proposition, which was, hey, we will pitch for sponsors on your behalf before you launch it to pay for our production costs. So it was like a win-win. It's like, hey, we're gonna go pitch, find the right sponsors for your podcast. They're gonna give you some money. That money then pays for us to go and make the podcast for you. I was like, sweet, like, no-brainer deal, right? But then actually, as we got through it, she hadn't really nailed the next part. I said, well, what's the strategy gonna be? And she was like, oh, well, we do the strategy piece once people have signed and become clients. She's given me an insight of like, oh yeah, that's a really clever idea. Pitch sponsor first before the podcast launches, and then use that money to pay for the production. That's like the light bulb insight, but then wasn't followed up with, this is how we actually do it. But if she actually sat down and was like, right, well, you've got this concept, so I would suggest that we like pitch this idea, blah, 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 and gave me a framework or an outline of like how it's gonna work, then I can see the potential and I can see how I'm gonna get from A to B. And so then I would be like, cool, yeah, I'm totally on board with this, like help me do it, like go for it. So it's like, don't be afraid to give away that kind of high level strategy. The primary goal is to get them clarity on what's preventing them from reaching their goals. You want to uncover something where they go, oh yeah, didn't think about that, right? You're trying to get them clarity on their problems and present some high level ideas about how they're going to fix those problems. So if you'd like to dig down into some of these strategies a little bit further, then click the link below and you can apply for my live workshop where I will be showing you behind the scenes of what's working for other creative agencies and giving you a custom roadmap to grow your business.